Hi friends, welcome to S&D Innovations. Today in this video I will show you how to make a 12 volt 6.4 Ah lithium ion battery. So I am basically making this battery for my party speaker, which I have already showed you in the earlier video. The battery is not running well and I have to replace it with a new battery. So I thought it is better to make a lithium ion battery rather than using the old alkaline battery. So let's see how we can able to make this type of battery unit. Let's start. So friend, first of all you must require 6 number of lithium ion battery and base to install the battery in correct position. So I have taken 6 number of battery of 3200 mAh each. So making a 12 volt battery with 6 number of lithium ion battery will give around 3.2 plus 3.2 equal to 6.4 Ah or 6400 mAh. So first install all the battery in position. After completing, you can see all the battery is in position, and now I will install the BMH. BMH is nothing but the battery management system. These things are available in market from 70 to 80 rupees. So now install the battery management system. So it is basically required for proper charging of all the batteries. If you don't use this BMS, then there is lot of problem of short circuiting, high voltage, overcurrent. So I have installed the BMS. Now let's test how much voltage output is there. You can see it is giving 11.99, that is 12, but it will basically give you 12.6 volt as it is not charged, so it is showing 12 volt. So now install 2 number of power cable. So I think all of you have liked this video, so please subscribe S&D Innovations and don't forget to press the like button. Thank you. Help me to increase my subscriber.